Hello everybody, and welcome to my tutorial on Canvas and our virtual classroom. So I am actually going to go through what you need to know all about Canvas and all of the things and tricks that you need to know about our virtual classroom. So the very first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to go to my professional communications class. I'll pull that up. And my professional communications page looks very similar to the debate page as well. So this kind of works hand in hand with both. The only difference between the virtual classroom in debate and the virtual classroom in professional communications is going to be that debate has a prepped little icon here that they can click on to go to prepped and upload articles. But other than that, everything is completely the same for all of my classes. So the very first thing we'll kind of cover is using Canvas. The things that you actually need to know as far as Canvas is we have an announcements section and then an assignments section. These are really the only two things that I use for my classroom. So on my announcements section, you can click on it and you can see all of my announcements. Every single day I will upload a YouTube video for what we did for that specific day. So if I clicked on yesterday, you can see that I uploaded a YouTube video on what we did today, along with something that kind of gives you an idea of what we did. So yesterday we did practicing our speeches, so I uploaded all the directions for practicing your speeches, and then I gave a nice little reminder telling you that, hey, it's going to be due tomorrow and you're going to present your speeches tomorrow. The next little tab is going to be our assignments tab. And here you'll be able to find all of the assignments that we have for the class. So as far as daily grades go, here are all the assignments for daily grades. Then you have your major grades and then any semester grades that we have down here. If you click on any of these assignments, you will also be able to see that I've uploaded links to these assignments. So down at the bottom I'll say use the link above. From our virtual classroom to find the assignment. So you can actually just click on these and it will take you straight to the assignment. Now, just a heads up, any of these assignments that I share with you, you're not going to be able to edit it. So you do need to make sure that you're going to file and you're making a copy of every single assignment that I send to you. That way you can edit it. Okay? And that's how my assignments tabs will work. And then going back to our home button, this is what will pop up every single time that you go to professional communications. We have the home where you can see our virtual classroom. This is interactive, so you can click on anything that has the little hand appear. So it goes from an arrow to a hand, so you can click on something there. Down here at the bottom, let's say you missed week 1. If you clicked on that, it would take you to the virtual classroom for week 1. Where you can click on the Tuesday through Friday to find out all of the things that you missed. Okay, I also have my lesson plans uploaded for you as well, so you can see what we're doing every single day. So if I click on it, it'll show you, alright, this is what we did on the very first day of school. You can even click on these nice little links that I've posted in here to get to your assignments. But in my opinion, the easiest way to go about anything is just to navigate through our virtual classroom. So for every day of the week, I have uploaded a link to what we are learning for that day. Today is Thursday, so if it was Thursday, I would click on the Thursday tab. And it will pop up with a new classroom where you can see what our objective is, what the date is. You'll be able to see what assignment we have and if we have a PowerPoint or if we have an exit ticket. Today we didn't have that, so there's no PowerPoint, there's no exit ticket, and the assignment was just to present their speeches for the day. Let's look at another one where we have a few more things just uploaded that you can look at. And it would open up our virtual classroom for Wednesday, so you can see the date, you can see what our objective is today. If we have any homework or an important announcement, I'll highlight it in blue for you. For this Wednesday, we didn't have a PowerPoint, but if we did, I would upload it here and you would be able to click on it, just like I could click on the assignment if we had one there. So this speech practice assignment, I could click on it and then pull it up, and it would let you have it. Again, remember to make copies. If you missed my class, well, good news is I record my Google Meets. So all you have to do is just click on this nice little icon that says "Missed my class, watch my lesson here." And it'll take you to a YouTube video where you can watch what we learned for that day, along with a nice little snippet of what we actually did. Now all of these videos are also going to be uploaded in that announcements section in Canvas. As far as the rest of the classroom goes, right here, this little icon right here is our Remind 101. If you were to click that, you would then be prompted to fill in like your first name and your phone number. That way you can join my class. It's the same thing for debate class, only it's going to show up as Azel Debate instead. But this will bring you to our Remind, where I give you announcements, just like on the announcements in Canvas. You know, if you miss a day, you can watch the videos. Then we have this nice little star that you can click on, and this is all the extra credit that people have earned in my class. So if you were to click on it, you could see that everybody's extra credit would show up right here, and it tells you how much extra credit that person has earned. This one is a really important thing right here. This is our Google Meets. So if you are a virtual learner, you can see that you can just log into the Google Meet right here, and it'll automatically take you to our Google Meets. Yay! And then you would just ask to join, and you would be ready to rock and roll. Now we can also use these Google Meets for any kind of tutorials that you might need. Maybe you can't show up to tutorials. Or maybe I can't attend tutorials, but we need to make sure that you're getting your work done. You can also schedule a time with me where you can set up a Google Meet where I can help you. This nice little pass right here is our bathroom pass. So this will just kind of tell you like all of the people who went to the restroom. This is my way of kind of keeping track of all of that. Then over here we have class attendance. You would click on that and you would see like, okay, maybe you got accidentally marked absent. You would be able to check on that. We also have a class calendar. This actually straight up links to my lesson plans as well. So again, you can see all of my lesson plans and what we're planning on doing for this school year. Up here in the corner is our clock. If you click on the clock, it's going to show you the Azel ISD calendar. So if you ever have a question about when school is getting out for a break, you can just come here. If you ever need to email me, you can just simply click on this nice little email icon, and it should pop up with an email straight for you where you can email me. Next over here we have our class syllabus. If you click on it, it's going to pull up the professional communication syllabus for debate. It will pull up the debate one. And you can see all of my rules and expectations, and then you sign your name and have your parents sign it as well. Then we have a speech format. Now we use this for all of the speeches that we ever give in this class. You would use this format and it gives you actual directions on what to do for each part of the speech. Again, if you're going to use this, just make a copy because you won't be able to edit it unless you make that copy. Right here is all of your extra credit opportunities that I give you. So if, let's say, you missed an assignment or you didn't make a good grade on one of your assignments, you can do some extra credit possibilities here. And you can look through those and find out what the assignment could be and how many possible points you can earn by doing them. And then finally, here's a big one. A lot of people don't know how to turn in assignments to Canvas, so I made a nice little link to a YouTube video that tells you exactly how to turn in your assignments to Canvas for my class. Now this can be used for all of your other classes as well. I know a lot of students generally have a pretty tough time turning their assignments in, but if you follow this video to the T, you should be completely okay. The only thing is I make sure that everybody uploads every assignment that we ever do into their Google Drive, number one, so it never gets lost, and number two, if Canvas is ever freaking out on you, you can just share that assignment with me personally. And then if you just wanted to have some fun or you just needed some cheering up, I absolutely love turtles. So you could click on this nice little turtle statue and watch a cute little video about tortoises making amazing pets and funny tortoise videos. Just for fun. And that is my virtual classroom. I hope this helped out. If you're having any trouble with anything, again, you could always just watch my virtual classroom tutorial, which is this video that I'm making right now, and you'll be able to see exactly what you need to do and what you need to know for my class. That's all I have for you today. Y'all have a good one.